Whether you're a developer, a student, or just curious about containerization, Docker makes it simple to run apps in isolated environments. In this video, I'll walk you through downloading, installing, and setting up Docker Desktop on macOS so you can start using containers in no time. First, go to the Docker website. The link will be attached in the description of this video. Then click Download Docker Desktop and select your operating system type. I have macOS, so I will select it. After downloading, open this file, then drag it to the Applications folder. Open the Docker application. When you first launch it, you will need to accept the terms of service and click the Finish button to complete the installation process. We have installed Docker on our macOS. Now you can use it. Don't forget to log in to get more features. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe to the channel.